In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Forex Sessions indicator on TradingView. Whether you're a Forex trading novice or someone with more experience, using indicators effectively can significantly enhance your analysis and decision-making. So, let's dive right into it on the TradingView platform, a preferred choice for many due to its versatile features. First, you'll want to go to the TradingView website. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the indicators icon, which you will find at the top of the page. This is your gateway to a variety of tools that can assist you with your trading strategy. After clicking on Indicators, a search bar will appear at the top of the window. In this search bar, enter the word Session. This will help you find the specific indicator we're interested in today, which is the Session Lux Algo. It's a reliable tool for identifying critical trading periods throughout the day. When you see Session Lux Algo in the list of options, click on it to add this indicator to your chart. You should notice immediate changes on your chart, with different time sections highlighted, representing the various Forex sessions. Now that you have successfully applied this tool, click on the Lux Algo session appearing on your screen. This will open a panel where you can customize the settings to better suit your specific needs and preferences. Go ahead and scroll down to the bottom of this panel where you will find an option labeled Show Daily Divider. You'll want to uncheck this option. By doing so, you effectively remove unnecessary noise from your chart, allowing you to focus solely on the Forex sessions themselves without any extra clutter that could be distracting. Next, let's adjust the transparency to get a clearer view of your chart. Find the transparency option within the Lux Algo settings and adjust it to 79%. This level of transparency ensures that while the session indicators are visible, they won't overwhelm the price action on your chart. Finally, let's talk about colors. On the setting labeled Session D, you'll notice that the default color is yellow. Change this color to black. This subtle tweak ensures a refined and professional-looking chart, enhancing readability, especially if you prefer darker themes. Once these adjustments are made, make sure to click OK to save your changes. These configurations will fine-tune your TradingView experience, providing you with a clearer perspective and aiding your analysis of global Forex sessions. Following these steps will help you successfully set up and customize the Forex Sessions indicator on TradingView. We hope this walkthrough enhances your trading strategy and makes your analysis more efficient and effective. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.